Marijata na etin issue. Abusia. Marijata. Ena osu. Na mo ganche Marijata say me se ma wonsu. Madam Wina. Wona wo say wa wi. Why are you still crying? Abusia share video in the live on so. Oba like the video, share the video in the live on so. Say me be video edema akwaya osi America ya me se me pese me body DB mu. Onu na me be video man. And I'm come asema to one say. From this time going, and penifo the modi no mu ninko. Di aka no. Abusia ye babo ho ban. Na efiri sense ya ye ekọ yi de. Enipa bi ya wonni so ye lawyer. So ya ban nipa. So ye hwan. So ye hwan. Mini case appear biblical me case. Obeje bribe. E wo hu biu. Say wa jibi case hu bribe. Die tia me. Say nipa no. Me case no amelewu. Woni na bushia.
NSI critical. Appear biblical na se de odi duabom. Odi cases. Ehunhuna nkurufo bi okuruma age say nya asem ketu akra na ni abre pa ni na no efa eye insensem bi oni Agradaa na se court case ana se court insensem bi a oni Agradaa enya je say omde court no court adesmisi asem no na ye na enim say apia blika eni Agradaa je say omontam de enkokra je say beef de anopa wie nwumre court so omne nam court a enya asem ketu akra nye case bako case no apia blika chirima egumu ahodo na say omo wie a no mo the next one omo wie the next one a e den afoforo so ho a odi Agradaa be sa akobiem a che say enya asem ketu akra na omo nsem na nkasa de ni dim ye bebo edi ewrem but meso say ni dim wo be mi subscriber tem no mi abel na ebonche no like video no so na bibia enye kama pa abuhwe na enim say apia biblical one eye mama part omo court nsensem no che say ba ko omo de court a omo dismiss asem no o si onlusu ye apia biblical chima onlusu ye omo dismiss asem no keke enye say bia lusu anaye ebia mama part awe ne o si ente sada na de tie ne say ne lawyer na amboa no ana wan chire no nyoma bi amoma fa nyoma bi ankeka ne case no ho enunti ana asem ne kodu court no judge no dismiss asem na che say wato asem na gu na say abusua apia biblical betena mbonten so kan sem bi na after omo dismiss asem na Agradaa betena social media so beto powder gu no home ebetubility ye beke kan sem bi na say apia biblical any case na eno ana apia biblical chima right now wenya evidence ba ko che say utimun say nyoma bi ana sikatue bi ekoso e wo backdoor wati ase bribe GG bi ekoso backdoor ni na aka ho bi ana ase namso ema oloso the case no de oka ye ne se o se ohene bi a na che se Agradaa esoma no ohune twice ewo ne lawyer ni ho because we di kan krampa betena social media so blame ne lawyer ne se no lawyer no ana mana lose case no che se wa afi de wasan kai se wakohu Agradaa nipa bi a also nipa ko ne ohene na ohene no Agradaa soma no ko hu no ne lawyer ni ho twice abusua ensem de apia biblical abebro so pa che se wasa case su biem obetena bonti so ka se obi a obeji bribe ewo ne case hu bia no sani pa ko no obedome wo adome wo ne wasefo ni na ma che se obehim ni na eno ana Agradaa so betena bonti tutu bi edemane apia biblical chima ne nsem bi obekan no ono so befa as evidence esade no akwakogina court akantasiu no ama be wiase no ono apia biblical no ana ede ne kwakoto ensem de mama part be ka bi pa ye ti eno ho reply ena apia biblical ede ba ode evidence etwa to a chise wotumi se enya asem keto a ode yenti apia biblical nsem a okan ye ede fa mama part ho any evidence awo ede maye na ye ba ebeto aso
me kese na ye sunsum ɖarɛs ni sunsum akwanche kopon se nipa no woni na busua no ho betwa so lo ye bia obeji bribe e wo me case ho obeji teku obeji simple wo me case ho se wo se me case bia no wo sa nipa no meni wanya wo sa lawyer kro no meni wanya wo sa enipa wo jisika na wa ma no kura nya adwuma na obeji adamudie na wakata enokre so adane nokre kontompo no wo sa nipa no me se me dum me kese me yesa akopim se me hyewo sani par woni wabusua ase enough is enough and I mean it And I am not joking. I am serious about it. My video away. Video am ye. My mom marriage at din. And your double wife, my money din. And your double wife, my friend. And your double wife, men kasano. Any pa me can ask him a meme lawyer. And the kwasi ampany among crowd. And I'm a car woman. Meme lawyer. And our name Yakasa who say mistake be or more why mistake be. Intino or you sorry to me. Which or no sorry now I can't remember. Mateki, my fat, my diatum. What you say? The story now I can't remember. My fat, me, my diatum. And I'm a city a Modian woman in Cordia can you buy. Why are you crying?
Yes, I get this.
Why are you crying? And your double wife. Why are you crying? Madam Marijata, Madam Wina. Obi a wini a would jubilate. Why wini a won't celebrate. Continue to celebrate. Continue to jubilate. If it's a why wini, we a winner. Let's say we don't want to say why wini now we a winner. Yeah. I don't know be any video. Na yam freo, na yam modia. Omo wanibre. So when I say afa wa adwene mu a ente hye wa bia afa wa adwene mu a madam scientific ne ho no ma yemfa nko scientific yen ko hwehwe wa adwene wo dankram na yem se sela no wo dankra no ebom
profo pe scientific
sela no yem se wo dankra ebom madam Marijata madam Wina enye bibia dendendin o madam Wina enye bibia dendendin o say wo free say wo case wo betumi de appear biblical akwakwakotumu a just do it. Nobody is hindering you not to do it. Wo free say wo case wo betumi am appear akwakodam wo betumi ajeri appear. Go ahead and jerry me. Go ahead and do whatever you want to do. I am ready for you. Wherever they will call me, I will go. I am not a coward. I am a man who doesn't fear Sakate Don and who doesn't fear dwarfs. You don't know the know. When you are dealing with me, be wise than me. Ma wa adwene munye do. Many of them akwasi apia. Chief 1 ekomi. Don't try me and don't dare me. Concerning judge na watena agwamu no. Judge akwasi Ejenum Boateng. Oh, you're a very powerful judge. And me appear biblical. There is no way I will ever open my mouth and talk against him. If you say me whom from so be a papa na ye. Okay. Say me whom say papa na ye from so be e the judgment no one. Me appear biblical and come in fanche, come in spare ba kokra. And come in spare no 1 minute kra. But papa no on my free and fair justice. On my free and fair justice. What reason dear or dismissing case which may appear I accepted it, which my lawyer I accepted upon watch media channel. Maybe see media channel who already. So why are you crying? And I have the video. Mimi wo video no appear no. Mimi wo video no hey abrantie with Jimmy you know. Hey me see me jeru me can't see you from 15,000 bremi. And I just say enye 1.6 billion bi. Wo de wo beti. So na ko gina bonten say ya sue me. Me ya give me 1.6 billion at the amount. After the was at 10 one say 15,000. You go see. So we see wuni nyansa, we see Jimmy. Social media so Jimmy ya with that. Marijata. And your double wife, Madam Wina. Obi a one really case ya. I was a woman when it J. Now we both say, now cost one now both say. I'm a social media so say I make Jeru, make can't see what I Jeru. Uhurimu hamponze. Uhurimu a ebie say e pray kwa akomde no wante. Nkwasiafo de beji wo nkwasi akeka na wo keka na di. Obi I was here sue me. Ya give me 1.6 billion at the amount. I bet about this. She said, name for 15,000 in chow. Been for 15,000 in chow. 15,000 come lawyer or the amount.
Hey,
they catch you paying. So what senior man can't tell. Come a lawyer. A lawyer will give you the 15,000. Yare for. What's it here? Who carry me city? Say, and I'm 15,000. What is 15,000? Obikwa was social media. So, Obetumia can come say appear. Maybe 15,000 a chapia of Uncle Kutia. 15,000. What is 15,000? 150 million in his cabin. Obejabo T. Joe wouldn't say, I Jimmy 1.6 billion. Wouldn't say, I don't know, okay, and wouldn't say, I am content. And yet, another content. Met to me at Tamwa could not court ever.
Gosh, there's no so bit imagine as
met to me at Tamwa could not court, but I don't have time for that kind of nonsense. I have time for proper things. And Casasa now better about the car, yes, I judge, you know, I Jimmy appear 1.6 billion at the amount. And Kawat Tomra Wolf. So, would you not go with our lawyer? So, what Simino Bodamwa? Go and ask your lawyer, Madam Marijata, and your double wife. I am talking to you. Madam Wina. Madam Awusu wa Winia. Won't tell when you Emma Winnie now wa Winnie. Uncle Swana, Uncle Swana, won't do it, and I won't jubilate, and I won't celebrate to win. Namabaya be video, Namim Freo, Namim Moudin, Nausu. Me lawyer na apamacho, Wasembe. Me lawyer na apamacho. If I obey, my lawyer and me akasa say we sorry. What is your big deal in it? So if he says a lawyer na turn up pamino, say and how? Why do you even come out and talk about it? Say my lawyer pama tell so I mistake. Or you're sorry to me. What is your problem? What is your problem? Me lawyer no so pama tell me lawyer no say me are sorry. Appear biblical. No, thank you. Abia can say, and I say, the judge in the car, and I am right. Judge in the say, I was sent out in the person, see, account one for an account. Judge in the say, I was sent out, would they, Fanny believe no. I was sent out, in account, one for an account. Miss my diatu. Judge in some kind of my diatu. It's a big deal. Oh, how, any say, we are upon any say. A dear bay and a howum. Mina me demi home. Missing my jatu. Judgment no aquatian. You are dismissing the case. Who have the end? Why do you have to come out and cry? And I would also buying no, and I also buying abba. Yemfa wa buying abba and a cocotina. Yemfa wa buying and a abba and a cocotina court. Court any homa a bind be say or homa MPP or homa NDC. Court to be a better side be not just say unim ne juma. Not just say or your bias. Not just say unim ne left and right. Not just say or ye corrupt. Court ever homa everybody. So abemu se unia bem. Court to homa will be. So it is the duty of the court to do the right thing, to check the evidence and everything and do the right thing, and that is all. And I mean say only per beer or better bribe this time. I say me case. Me curse one in the family. Me sure in the bush by the grace of God. Me finish one in the bush. Why do you have to cry? And your double wife, why do you have to come out and cry over this? And your bushia, the video be I say, and your double wife, oh, mama, and ra, I walk a and I appear biblica, and I did, and I will make you, may jeru, may you say, who is stopping you to jail me? Why does he die? Men could jail appear. And if you want to jail appear, do you have to come and tell the whole social media? Say me kwa could jail appear. You don't need Jeremy, it will come out. If you have any case, criminal case, to jail appear, to countersue me, go and do it. Stop talking mouth. Stop telling lies outside. The judge didn't kind of think as a judge in Aka. Judge, I could see a genuine boating. High court judge. Were you good judge? And me metra montin kasantia judge bia. Me metra montin the judge bia tem. Never me see me lawyer. And me disappointed. I am not disappointed of myself. I am not disappointed of the judge, but I am disappointed of my lawyer. And why accept it the fault? Why begging me? Maybe a channel. It is finished. It is past and gone. So continue to celebrate. Continue to jubilate. Continue to be happy. Stop crying, mommy. Madam Wina, stop crying. And your double wife, Marijata, stop crying. And continue to celebrate your win. Continue to celebrate whatever you want to celebrate. Nobody is stopping you to celebrate. Ghana ha obian wa ma woni masemu we se mu nokure. Na ebum judge na ma yate ase se na wasanke ye ni sei na wasanke ye ni sei. Obian ni wono ma woni masemu we mu nokure. Agi se de wo se wotan apia biblika bi te se nana ayi Kwame Boatin a wotan me a wote ya no ma ogimi a wo twetwe gimi ntwetwe. Sa nipa bi sa no wotan wa no wotan. Se nipa no so wotan wa untumi nya hwe ma ne nya ne fe. Ana untumi mfo so no so ma ne medo. Wotan wo de ne wotan. Wo so won pe wasem a on pe wasem.
Kwasoro ba from kana.
Onipa ye fe ne se won pe wasem. Wo tia wasakwa no no obu nipa. No wa tia nipa. Wo sawa sakura no a no wa tia nipa. Na wa kwa me bo ate se wotan ni. Wo se apia biblika metwetwe nkwase asema fa. Medidi watem hame na adwenkyere obi a woni feelings obi pe we yasem obi so mpe we yasem me enforce se bepem asem enokura ba akopɛ enti so tom winter boot and your double wife Marijata, stop crying. I came here to tell you say jai sooner wusu so we say ya dismiss me case ni nyina da bia wo sole a wo say apia ni case apia ni case e so na ye court. Nyami aduma on the 8th of next month and a year to a criminal case in so. Criminal side no on the 8th of next month and a year to us. My name is Apia Biblica, the man who doesn't fear Sakate Dondon and who doesn't fear dwarfs. On the 8th, who be about to say a dismiss case in case you go and meet the judges and the lawyers on the 8th. No what the reason tia will be about take say ya dismiss me case bia what me will be you go and explain it usu we senior unim nyansa nka wo ka be ne wo kura no a nka wo kura wo ti say judge no kura ka say enam saade we say nti ne ya dismiss case ni senka unim nyansa ana wo ne wo kunu unim nyansa nka enka wonye ade be provoke me enka wonye ade be ma me buafu because one kasa woni mu say ade no wo ye na de judge ne kan e wonyina so abeja bonte say boni ame nyeye e de atome so message said kwase ampa nyina wagimi a wonim nyansa ene wo social media no so be support o e wo nsema okeka if you say everybody know the truth about the whole thing. Who is on the social media? Why would say, oh, better social media, who jubilate, who celebrate, say, ya boapia biblica, who crack or boapia biblica. Who is on the social media didn't see it? My brother, David. Well, here, David, maybe I will be a Yamisha, want to make that say. My whole video, I like people who speak the truth. Me pay one more mechanical. Here, David, was say, a be a judge, and I say lawyer na mistake. Now say judge won't mistake. Already I'm a fair judgment. Right judgment. Me lawyer and I mistake. I blame my lawyer. I don't blame the judge. To him David, a part of me that was say any video about but the American say judge need the only problem. I am a lawyer and I oye mistake. The judge doesn't have any problem. Judgment now my me appear to become accepted. A fair judgment. I don't have anything against the judge. If I have something against somebody, I am a lawyer. And I was a minimum any problem. What is up my toe? It be a ache. So case cruise there. To any David, Madam was one manasi, the word changer, Madam Massi. I will monocra, mother can matia. Manasi, the word changer, or in David. And it will be beer with Nimno what kind of crowd or case we will be on. Yamin sit on all tonquem. Omo the woman in check, or mountainous in check. I will no credit, no cantino, a grade, or more time from Shiasi, I will nasi. Message your timing and corner baby social media. So I can't question. He said, everybody know the truth on the social media. Quite fast, so big jubility here. Brown crown quiet, Miss. Quite fast, Uko Musa, and you warm. A quite fast, Uko Saliti Abbas, so when he means here, Nayan solve case no back door. Who is on the social media? Would Nim Nukura will say, Onim, Mrs. Time appear biblical. Intimate judge, I could say, Jenum Boating, made done as a class account. If you say, or Mammy Yansa, any agony, I want a judgment now, or the buyer. Yami Sirano, and I'm in Tunquem. Yamina Madam Wading, Uncle Swa, Madam Fat, Yamisuro, Mbuatang, train pepe. He said, I tell no booty, I mean, and now, because now dismissing, well, you're right. The judge is right to dismiss the case. Now, Senka, yeah, idea back, me and Sabi. And until me say me bremu me judge, me bremu lawyer, me bremu judge. It is all to winter boot and your double wife, Madam Mary Jata. Stop crying and continue to celebrate and jubilate. Na me kwati also we fasting. Unya me sumponi na ba ye kromfo. Unya me sumponi na ba ye wudini. Unya me sumponi. Unya me sumponi. Unyame sumpuni wo ye fasting kwa na ba ye sa video we na wudi atoro e wo fasting wo twa atoro wo fasting apia biblical ya gini 6 point ya gini 1.6 billion e de mame wo si asenka wanka wa se you ati apoto bibiri wo ya de me 1.6 billion e de amount for what reason and what manner and why na ade 1.6 billion e de amount wo so to winter boot and the double wife, Madam Rina, Marijata. One I gave me 1.6 billion, the amount of Marijata, and the double wife, so to winter boot. Madam Rina, why do you have to stop celebrating your win? Also, social media, also be here that and promote to win a winning. Obi here that because what me say one was social media also winning no crime. One was winning no crime. Why ni pa be. Hwe na me ka sam kire mo ne abusafo me to sa bomb we are. Na ma cross be video no. Me call me lawyer ho one day.
Aha na asem no no.
Na me call me lawyer ho one day no me ko hunu wo hene bi wo ho. Sa wo hene no. Madam Marija tata soma no. Wo ye wo hene a wono na Marija tata soma no. But me the same I say bia no case. Inti na oba me lawyer ho.
Okay.
Inti me my grand cause say bia ya soma no because of me case inti. I saw the man twice with my lawyer. Sa wo hene na Marija tata soma no. Sa wo hene na so tum winter boot esoma no. Sa wo hene na Madam Rina esoma no. Sa wo hene na and double wife. Sa wo hene na wo soma no. I saw that man with my lawyer twice.
Wow.
Now, Mr. Lawyer, but the Obama agreement I'm agree and say, bia enemy case into no buy, bia no one case. Bia or person, me lawyer no. Man, intina or buy. Miss Moon twice. Sawa Hen was so much man call police station. On your case, ya. Sawa Hen was so much man. Sawa Hen was so man call friend. So for Usu Bempa, then time or so for Usu Bempa, ever could feel one. Sawa Hen. Oh, who mean a Yamusian or Bobrim? But my dream must say be a case in Intima or nam. Intima smart that very day. So my smart that very day. My minister say be a case in Inti and as our a bar lawyer and Krabia if I tell. Inti after everything. And I mean who say okay. I see. Inti madam. Jimmy Kikanan Kwasi Kikanan America me personal evidences.
Hey, I see my KD. I know you.
Na me say me lawyer no apamacho. Me apia apamacho be dia channel. It is a one tiasia. You can go and burn yourself. Or you can go and jump inside the sea and kill yourself. Useless human being. Also for one is a kromfo a ji a kunkumnipa. Dini.
Hey,
would you have some katakata on yet? Behind the door, we are crumb for. We are. Oh my God, you are so wicked. Wow. We are heartless. I saw that king. Now, who's our one? So when you are one day, I never struck you with just like that. Who and I would do when yam. What told when you Kakra ubenya free so to winter boot 20. Kakra ubenya free Madam Maligata 20. Kakra ubenya free some mad woman winner a hunty or suma one want to do to Maguso. Now what do I hear? What are you? Wahin che and Yahima Yadiama would do here? Now we'll talk when you yam. Now wouldn't nam back door. Now wouldn't nam. Now would you bribe?
Oh, he never know.
Eddie Mancroft.
Hey, would you bribe?
What's our hino? Now, poet at to a sea. Not curse one night.
I critical.
Uber chaff ya wukwa. Foolish king. Jimmy hine. Wahina wouldn't mean answer what Jimmy I will talk. Wahini money munyam. Eddie am a foolish woman. Wicked and diabolic woman like this woman. Now wunam. Now wuna wo. Now do what wahini any munyam. And I wouldn't nam. And I will chia bribe. And they must so to him winter boot. And the double wife. May come what you says. I saw you twice with my lawyer.
Hey.
But me, my minute say. Mimi case wunti na wabaho. But I couldn't say here who say okay. I see the next time.
I feel no what you say.
Next time.
There's a big course.
That is all that I can say. Next time, try me again on my case. Let this woman give you Takuni Sempua and go and sell your glory in your kingdom for this woman. You can do that to anybody, but not appear biblical case. What's our way? Your first and last. Be warned. The next time we be stepping in my case again, you are finished. I will curse you to die. And I am saying it and I'm saying it again fatalically here. Say, hey, abamu nipa biara, lawyer biara, nipa biara, mimi case. Ube jengu teku simpua. That was say case, you know. You and your family is finished. I will curse you and do every direction be a to finish you and your family. I will wipe you out of this generation. I swear.
And I know it.
Every nonsense will stop. You can go and do that to anybody, but not appear biblical case. We are a lawyer. We are lawyer, mommy. I will make case. Try and do anything stupid. Take bribe and try to do anything stupid on my case and see what will happen to you, your family, including the person who bribed you. You will see what will happen. And I will make sure you face the consequence of the bribe that you take. I swear. Dear more dear, umbe diako, diaka dear. ya bebo ho ban the gender appear biblical the man who doesn't fear sakate and then don and who doesn't fear dwarfs you don't know the no don't try me if you try me
Bioja hey
if you dare me
and was another one abaron
if you interfere in my case
abuzia so apia biblical nsɛm no ne yakwakotie di abadom wo hwɛ ne nsɛm na wɔka na ɛno ana ma ɛya Agradaa so ba abɔnten a na ɔkyerɛkyerɛ na adwen sɛ sidi osi ka sɛ ne lawyer ni na panachow na asa wɔka ne nsɛm te sɛ asɛ obi akwakotua bribe no Ghana fo ni bi bɛdwen sɛ ampaniampa ɔno Agradaa no ebi wakwakotua bribe ɛde ama ɔno apia biblical ne lawyer no ɛno nti ana case no ya dismiss and ask when to me and ma bi anka ho ama asɛm no ankwa nti Agradaa nti ɛno ne ma Agradaa bɛtena life no so keka na adwen ɛde hyɛ apia biblical ɔtutu bi so ɛde ma ɛyɛ apia biblical lawyer ni no na wohwɛ ne nsɛm waka sisi a wɔkyem a kyɛ sɛ ɔhene bi a kyɛ sɛ Agradaa taa soma no ɔkɔhu saa ɔhene no ɛwɔ ɛyɛ ne lawyer ni no hɔ twice ɔkɔhu ne twice na adwen amba so but omubu asem ni we asem ni bubo no na asem mu twa asem no mu no ehora na adwen ba be koso ama na hu se anti sa na de eye ohini komelo ya hokoye ni ana wate ase na se apia bleka onso ne de opeso oche no na kama koye sa se ampani ampa ohini no ana ache se wakwa diska bi de free Agradaa ho e de akoma ne lawyer ni na se wakokutuatua bribe bi e wo baabi ama asem no nkaso mayede o ma dismiss asem no eno na ema Agradaa pi ba bonte a apia bleka asabe sisu a kwampo de wo chirim se ye ohini bi na okuhu ewo eye ne lawyer ni ho timu se ensem na apia bleka beka no ano odem na otumi ka se Agradaa ekunkum nipa de na utimu se ninsem no ebi ano ohye Agradaa utimu se ohwe video na ote sanse win na ono so ebema ne koko apai ama je besi no ebenya esi wokruma o se next month on the 8th na chese omo criminal case on eka criminal case mean say the nim criminal case crop but say criminal case bi wo ho yes ombeko akwakọ toa so na nya omo case ni na ania dismiss no ti omo toa so a eho ane behwe ye behwe se sa case no so no omo dismiss no ana se apia biblical ebewe ne ana se obelusu ana se ma part mom ene belusu ana so bewe ne eho no ane behu bebia sa case no so ebekọ akọkọdru na mibusa wo sa case no so edaya another case wo biem ana because me amitimu say no say the apia biblical say hit no neni abrepa wachire maselo ya ni bia so betena krum ha agisika e woni case ho sire obesi mia kese oni ebusu abehye o mase no enya sem keto o so unim na o try na say no wo ye no a whole lot of meaning ana apia biblical e so wo kire enya sem keto neni abrepa abusua meso se ni di mu be mia subscribe atem no no mia do na e wo nche no like video no so na afi bibia so enye kama pa aha na insight mi di ubesi nyankopon hwam na afi so onyo kese se o jembe na afi o ka me ho makra